Don't it feel so good? Don't it feel so good, baby? Don't it feel so good? Feeling like the motherfucking man. Look. Ever since I was a youngin', I've been playing alone. So there's no surprise to what I'm saying, I just stay in my zone. The outsiders, seems I'm on the run. Really, I pack a gun and stay at home. Then fingers slay on them tones on the machine. Making beats for niggas near and far. Inspiring culture clubs in Benatar. Dropping free seminars in the Mars. Fighting wars, abiding by them Viking laws. Writing and lighting the music, the niggas while they lights is on. This ain't no hobby, I be deep in this. I believe in this, even if every demon meets me at the Meridian. I was born for this battle, I came out with scars and armed with a rattle. The niggas locked behind bars in a gavel, and I'll admit it. My style is unorthodox and I get it, and I'm living it. It's sorta like the equivalent of how the stork exports the fox. The unbelievable leaving from out the shortest box. I know the court is shot. Man, I wish a motherfucker would. Man, I wish a motherfucker would. Man, I wish a motherfucker would. Mama told me do good. Mama told me do good. And you will always be my love. Man, I wish a motherfucker would. Look, my life is like a movie on the screen at the cinema. Play it back to when your boy was a miniature. Only me and my mom was in the audience. A lack of applause, killing the ambiance. Afraid because I play with no cars. Little does she know, taking things for granted. Everything I grow was once planted before it bloomed to a glow. Let me show you how I ran it. Before your boy was standing, God was playing pool with planning straight. Planning and I came out in a bang through my mama's pack cannon. Boom, mama's perfect mistake is escape from the womb. He's irate and I wake in a room. Selling domes with complaints like I don't wait. Nigga move, life in the view. I'ma be everything I wanna be. Dropping everything in front of me, including yo. This purge is indiscriminate. From distant to intimate, from owners to tenements. They all enemies. Man, I wish a motherfucker would. 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 Do good, told me do good. And you will always be my love.
When you're waiting for somebody else to make you happy, you never fulfill what's inside of you, because God has put something in you that will make you happy if you'll begin to take responsibility for your own happiness. Nobody else is responsible for your joy. You need to decide that you're gonna have joy.
It ain't been the smoothest transition, listening to my intuition. I feel like the overrated rude musician, and my parents is glaring like, can we get this dude to listen? Our boy is smart, but screws is missing, and I'm just here to make my art. You fuck the system, was never built to play the part. Although y'all miss him, y'all love the better me. I'm coming back with belts of wisdom, no longer go miss him. H is here to hit him with that pedigree. Trying to be the top dog in all the weirdos. Walk around with lockjaw from all the hearts that kid flows. Y'all feel closed-minded, well let me open up your souls. I spit in prose until the roads exposed. Then I'm a prominent painter, cover up the tainted, aligning with the layman, making my dead motherfuckers famous. I pledge to be righteous while the fight is heinous. I give a fuck if they like us. I write the free minds, so many to write, cause wish a motherfucker, man, I wish a motherfucker would. Man, I wish a motherfucker would. Look, man, I wish a motherfucker would. Mama told me do good. And you will always be my love for life.
Brendan Lewis, this is Hood. Y'all now. Give me a clock, please. Bye.